wrote work question mark on my paper, then you
Or these girls, this is for the work group, this is for.
Oh, also, if I don't, actually, on that one, if I don't start working, I just write the y-intercept, does that count as right? Or wrong?
Wrong.
For real?
Gotta show you what.
How? You just told me that was a trick. The y-intercept is the
Okay,
last.
y-intercept you don't have to.
Okay.
You're not going?
I don't want to, but
Continuous or no?
I have to go.
Oh wait, are you not a cheerleader?
Continuous or no?
No.
No, it's a jump. It's a jump.
Finally got it out. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. Hole.
Hole.
Which one was the hole? The one with the hole in it?
What's another name for hole?
Yeah.
Who's 88?
Y'all both said the wrong answer at exactly the same time. What?
That's a removal.
Removable discontinuity. That's exactly right. Removable discontinuity.
I like hole.
She talked to all three of them yesterday, but y'all was cooking
Hey,
and that.
Miss McGee, I can take my notes.
I can show you my
Who's
notes.
88? Who's 88?
What's it say? What's it say by hole? That was from yesterday. Removable. Removable. Okay. So can you look at a graph and tell if it's continuous or not? Okay, good. Then let's talk about what we're going to do today. We got two things today. We got symmetry and we got a rock. Aiden. Symmetry of a graph. No. Yeah.
Just call him a geek.
Minor McGee.
All right. So when we talk about functions,
Well, I gotta.
yeah, because we did completing the square tomorrow. Yeah.
Can we show the mind Max's job?
Yeah, we haven't seen it, so you can hide it up.
It's so good. This has one video, it's kind of fun.
Okay.
He didn't used to be like this.
Grayson, what are you doing? What are you doing? You heard me. What are you doing?
I have my feet off.
You have your feet on? He does this with his hair.
You want me to get him?
I had to like
What
block him off.
I love work. About to do.
I was just trying to.
What did you ask?
She was the only one that was like.
I think
We just-
grab your phone.
Yeah, symmetry is really pretty easy.
Is it? Tell me about it.
I mean, if you go right, draw a graph.
Any graph?
No, like
It's gonna
a,
give you a hard graph.
No.
Now, draw something on one side. Okay, so now flip it. Put the same thing on the bottom.
Flip it?
How would you feel?
My knees.
That's like probably up and down something. You probably flip it sideways, and then sideways, and then the other sideways, before ways.
Gosh, there's no there. I don't even need to teach.
Okay, we're done, right?
I was right.
Miss McGee, is this the one where you have
Dang,
like
yeah.
the X negative Y?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I hate it. Dude, we're doing algebra 2, algebra 1. Yeah, no way I'm doing it. We're doing algebra 2 in Hungary. Well, yeah, that's what the last few days have been.
Miss McGee,
There's like, what happened?
there's like a 2% chance of it.
Is it pre-calculus just reteaching a bunch of algebra?
It is at a deeper
Yeah,
level.
we didn't really get to pre-cal until like second semester 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's not the point we actually get to do material.
Because when you get to, do you already know it? If I gave you a test on it right now, you can pass it.
Will, when you get to calculus, there's no, oh, I forgot what A-rock is. No, you learn an I-rock.
Exactly. She's right.
A-rock, I-rock, and limits, and,
Are you talking about like the country?
no, shut up.
No, she's talking.
Okay, that was gonna flip.
It was not. Who said that?
She's talking about you have to use all that stuff in there and you have to be able to do it seamlessly.
Yeah, I think I rock.
What?
Yeah.
They're at war right now. I'm not taking.
Then why are you taking pre-calculus?
You have to take it.
I'm sorry,
Just
I'm
take
sorry.
another math.
There's a new word up there.
Another math.
They have discrete, they have reasoning, applications and reasoning.
Discrete math teacher? I'm not going to teach by misspelled ever.
Hey, Ryan, I'll do the first year, you do the last.
This- Coach Mike's teaching it too.
No.
For real?
No, all of they're
That's how I try to get out of this class. I'm not practicing.
I thought like
That's what have you ever had
This is literally pre-calculus.
I know, but I'm not taking calculus.
Have you ever had celery with peanut butter?
Okay,
Well,
so
This is all a 5.0.
that's AP.
No, I thought 8 was 6. I
Oh.
thought normal was 5, honor was 5.5.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Normal is 4?
Yeah.
Oh my god, if I take normal class, I can honor, it goes down?
Yes.
What the?
You know what is up?
If you got 90,
They're fine.
Oh, today? It goes down.
No, but they're still fine. Apples, you can tell when apples get old. They're fine. They're fine. Okay. So on a graph itself, we can have two types of symmetry. No, does it have to have one of the two?
No. Oh, no, it's like asymmetric symmetry.
That's 211.
I don't think we're doing it.
Not, flip it, let's go to 213. To heck with it.
Y'all, hold on just a second. Even, odd, or neither.
You have to draw that?
That was what Grayson's example, but I'm gonna use it in just a second. All right, so even, we're gonna do this graphically and algebraically. You probably remember this from Algebra 2, right? Do you remember what even means? Hence why we're doing it again. Y'all said this is just Algebra 2 again, but this is why. So even means graphically it's symmetric about the y-axis. Which means the y-axis cuts it in half. Okay? Not this way, but this way. If the y-axis was a mirror, it would be the same on both sides. Right.
Odd is up and down.
No.
Odd is like that.
Odd is what we call origin symmetry.
Oh, it's like if it is the bottom left thing and then and the top
If you rotate it 180 degrees, it looks exactly the same. Rotate 180 degrees. So I'm going to show you, I may have even showed you this whenever we did it in Algebra 2. This is y-axis symmetry. This is even. This will be an even function. You see how it's the same? Okay, that's rotational. Desmos. You like it? There's rotational symmetry. 180 degrees and it maps back onto itself. That's rotational. Okay?
like the top left and bottom right or bottom right and top left.
Yes, yes. So look at these graphs. Look at the first one. What kind of symmetry does it have?
Even.
Even. It's an even function, right? How about the bottom one? Aiden.
Rotational. Or odd.
Odd. That one's odd. How about this other red one at the top? Even. How about an odd, right? So we got even, odd, odd. The blues are odd, the reds are even. Okay? All right. What's the symmetry?
Rotating. I mean even.
Say which one?
No, it's even.
It's got no, dude. There's neither rotation nor reflection.
No, it's not.
Look at the.
Look at it crosses the thing and it
Look
goes.
at the three answers right there.
Oh wait,
you okay to put
it? I got it.
It's rotational. It's rotational.
Bro, you said it's neither of them.
No, I said look, because you kept saying answers like the answers are right there.
Neither. It's neither. It's neither, right? Reflectional, which we say is Even.
Even.
This is even, odd, or neither for the, okay? Oh, I thought I had some more on here.
Wait, so rotational is odd?
Yes, rotational is odd. All right, Finley. Even, odd, or neither? I heard odd.
Rotation? No, it's odd.
It's odd. Does everybody agree? Raise your hand if you think it's odd.
Is that rotation? Yeah.
Yeah. Raise your hand if you think it's even. Raise your hand if you think it's neither.
Actually, I think it's neither.
Same. I think it's neither.
Why?
Why is it neither?
The way you rotate it, it'd be upside down.
Because they're not the same.
If you do it 180 degrees, then you're down here in the bottom instead of up at the top. If you 180 degrees is origin. Remember I said origin symmetry? Put your pin in the origin, flip 180 degrees.
Wait, so it only works if it's at 0.0?
Yep.
Okay. Cool, right.
Even, odd, or neither?
Either.
Neither. That's an easy.
That'll be like symmetry, right?
Look at A.
Let me click this. Neither.
Let me know.
A is neither.
That's all.
Okay, so we're looking reflectional, which means we're looking for evens. Evens.
That's
You
not
gotta click it on here. Is A reflectional?
A is neither.
No. B?
Yes.
Why do we?
C is not. E is, yeah. It's just.
E, I heard
E
E.
is not. E is that's all of them.
That's all of them?
Yes. Yeah, it's just B and E.
Just B and E?
Yes. Wait.
No others.
You don't think so?
What about C? What do you think, Bella?
No, look, the two, the one side is bigger than the one on the left.
Yes. One side's bigger.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Set that one.
Well, everybody else was saying things and I couldn't hear. All right, which one's odd? Worth, what you think?
Yeah. And Joe Daddy.
F.
D.
F, D.
And no, it's not. Right? I'm not sure.
It's not F. I say D, yes.
A's the only one. A's none, right? A is no, A is none.
Why is A none?
Because the waves are just the wave on the.
No, it is.
It is, though.
No, it's not. How? The wave. Look, that one and that one aren't the same.
180 degrees. Now go
Oh, wait,
180
no, it's that
degrees.
one.
Yeah.
Open his mouth. Can I go? You heard me? Or open your mouth.
Jeez.
Okay. I think everybody in here is good graphically. Let me show you.
Wait on me, but don't try to toss this in the mouth. Okay. Well, it'll be like 2 minutes.
Let me show you.
Oh,
Stop
retry.
it.
Oh my god.
Okay, y'all are going to stay here and scrub the floor because there is a smushed grape over there in front of the door.
You're gonna scrub this back there. Bro, go, bro. I'm so sorry. I'm so used to saying this Mac. Isn't
Oh, that was just now.
It literally went in my tongue.
Kind of. The negatives, yes. Yes. All right, algebraically. This is whenever it gets a little bit harder. I have an equation. I tell you what, Grayson, give me an equation of an even function. Yeah, you do. Give me an example of a function. Yes, Edward.
Absolute x plus 2.
Absolute value, x plus 2. You think that one's even?
How do you know what's even and what's not?
I say now it's even.
Yeah, I agree.
Why? What did I change?
I forgot. That was just the absolute value of x, and the absolute value of the entire equation. Yeah,
Well, remember our transformations, and we're going to get to that again soon. We're just absolute value of x looks like this, right? What happens if I add a 2 to x? Which way does it shift it?
To the right.
Right. If I shift it to, actually it shifts it to the left.
Oh, yeah, because the negative is
Right. So if I shift it here, is it still even? No. But what did I do by putting the 2 on the end? It goes up. It's still symmetric. Okay?
Wait,
Okay.
so it's inside absolute value. It's opposite in its x-axis, but
Yes,
it's
that's what we
outside.
did.
Wait a minute and 24 seconds.
You missed me.
It's 2:30.
No, I was.
Brother.
Great.
Okay. So let's use, yes, dear, yes.
Oh, crap, I forgot. Oh, how much is the middle finger? Oh, middle finger's not on that.
Go.
Can I make it?
Yo, 15 for saying EAN.
Algebraically, algebraically,
That's not bad.
None of y'all can say that but me and him.
That's
No,
not
I
bad.
said- I'll say it
Really?
right now.
Really? I'm gonna say it right now. Ready?
Go.
Ready?
Say it.
Miss B.
stop.
Oh, I'm not even doing. I was making. My knee really hurt bad.
Where is she?
Plug in negative x for every x. Every single x in the equation. Plug in a negative x for every x in the equation. In other words, I'm doing f of negative x.
Okay, time up.
This is how we check algebraically to see
Yeah, what?
if it's symmetry. If you get the exact same equation, in other words, you plug in a negative for every x and you get what you started with. This is,
Absolute value. That's the only one.
mm-mm. What about x squared? You see what I'm saying? But if it had a number in front, not necessarily, but yeah. All right. Now, well, actually, even if it had a number in front, but if it's x squared, when you square negative, it becomes positive. Because you're not squaring the number.
Number in front. Negative X.
All right. If you plug in a negative and you get an opposite equation, in other words, it looks like you multiplied everything by negative 1.
My brother just made $4,000. So what? Actually?
Then it's odd.
Yeah, let me get into that.
Okay. Now, we know.
Him and the guy who did 52 reps are in a battle. And Grayson and this guy.
We know graphically this is an even function, right? Let's show it algebraically. And if neither of these situations happen, it's neither. So I want us to do this one, but we're also going to do the one that we originally thought. Oh my gosh, please stop
No, I
complaining.
love your class. This is cool. I love it. My clothes get cold.
Let's say f of x is absolute value of x plus 2. Well, that door opened, so somebody was. Oh, someone went out.
For someone to write that up.
All right, so let's check it algebraically. You ready, Grayson? This is an algebra 2 equation. We'll crank it up to a pre-cal equation in just a second.
Put the negative x in for that.
Put a negative x in for the x. What's the absolute value of negative x? So this is still, I could write it this way, but I could also write it this way because regardless or not, it's going to force positive. So it's the same, which tells me it's even. Now, if I take that equation that we know, when we slid it left, we said it was neither anymore, right? Right.
What happens if it's odd? I forgot.
All the signs will be, we'll do an odd one. We'll do an odd one. So let's say,
Is that minus?
Breaking out.
Is that minus one?
where, yeah. No, that's a plus. So g of negative x would be negative x plus 2, but in this case, can I just drop the negative? No, because my order of operations, I got to add that 2 to it, so it's not necessarily always going to be exactly the opposite. So it's not opposite, it's not the same,
None.
so it's neither. Why?
So opposite would be
Complete.
negative X, negative 2 would be opposite.
Opposite completely would look like this. A negative outside of everything, or it would look like this.
Yeah, this is even, both the same positives. Wait, neither they have different odd, they have negative.
I just plugged it in the calculator.
You have to show it algebraically.
Wait, am I right?
I think
Yeah,
Am I right, Miss McGee?
yeah.
For real? Alright, man. Game takes a mile.
What do you think this is?
what do I think?
What do you think?
I would believe it's
Odd.
to be
Opposite. Even. Opposite. I don't know why. Yeah, it's gonna be opposite. Because of the cube, so that'll be a negative x. No, it's because of the x right there.
We're doing
because of
C.
negative.
Do it in C.
Huh?
Do it in C.
Okay.
Now look what I'm saying though. Because -2 times -2 is
But it's a negative
4.
x.
But times -2x.
It's a negative x.
Yes, I know, but I'm saying I was giving an example. The negative times a negative is positive times
Yeah,
another negative is a negative. So the opposite.
That would be either.
It would be opposite. You're welcome.
Odd. Odd's opposite.
Odds opposite.
Odd.
2 to the third keeps the negative, and a negative times a negative is a positive. 2 negatives.
That's even odd.
Bro, you're welcome.
So what is it?
That is even.
Okay, it's odd. It's odd.
They're the same sign.
Odd and opposite the same thing. Yeah, just like even.
Yeah.
Even in relative. Even.
How is that odd?
All these signs are different. Look at it.
Oh wait, it's from the first sign.
Odd means opposite signs.
So let me get.
How might I remember
Hold
that?
on. Stop. If the top is both positives and the bottom you end with both negatives, it's still opposite.
Yes.
Oh, dang it! I got.
Every sign is
I thought
opposite.
even was ending with positives. Bottom was ending with negatives.
So if it's just different from the first equation, it's opposite.
Completely different. Everything is different. Let me show you
Well,
this.
there was a plus. Okay, what was +2 -5? -5 plus.
It's high.
What do you think?
Positive, negative. So if it would be odd, it would be negative and positive.
Okay, so check it. What is it? Finley, put that finger down.
That's
What?
the question. So like if somebody were to flip right off, is it every second is 5 push-ups or like it's 5 push-ups total? So like if I held it up at race, it'd be like.
Is this even or odd? All right, Worth says even. Who agrees? I haven't got there yet. Okay.
I disagree. I'm doing it in my head.
It's either because it's
Oh, I
signs are
didn't-
opposite to start with.
because one side is
Wait, so both signs are opposite.
I didn't.
Yeah, that's right.
Is that right?
You, so do you have to show work for that?
Yes, that's what you have to show.
Wait, why is it different?
We already know it, so why do we have to show work?
Wait, Miss McGee, what was the final answer?
Wait, so why is
Which
that
one?
not? Why is that not?
Why is the two not?
If you square a negative, it becomes positive. This one keeps its negative, but because it's minus, this would be like minus negative 3x, so it changes to plus.
Why do we have to show the work if we already know it?
Now that it's, well, you look at what you started with. When you started, you were positive, negative. Now I'm positive, positive. So they're not both the same, nor are they all different.
Why would we show it if we know
It's the verification of it. It's just showing.
No, but like, would you mark us wrong if we just put neither
Yes.
when the signs are opposite?
If I said show algebraically, yes.
Oh my God. Why do we have to do more work?
Well, okay, I don't
Nobody- yeah. See, that's why this world has people like math teachers, because I would go on the street and say, if you have a positive number and a negative number, and then it's even, either odd, they say even.
What do you think about this one?
The average Jew says there's 5 sides of a triangle.
Nobody's saying that.
A math teacher says there's 3.
If we put it, that's even. But right now it's,
No, so it's a,
I can tell you if I can follow my own
it's even, but now it's not. It's even.
I'll go back to for a while.
okay, I hear a neither.
We're actually
Wait, what about the first one? Add on.
I added on. So all together, look at it as one function all together. Is it even, odd, or neither?
Square of 3.
15x cube, 15x under the,
It's gonna be.
I think it's gonna be.
I literally have my pencil fine saying.
Yeah, it's opposite.
I do too.
What if they're on?
Yeah. Nah, I do think so though, for real.
all right, what happens?
Positive, negative 5. Negative 15.
This is the cubed root of negative 15x minus x cubed. What happens when I take the cubed root of a negative number?
You get a negative number.
I get a negative number. So I can essentially pull that negative out. Negative cubed root of 15x minus x cubed. Now what do you think?
That's odd.
It's odd.
That's what I said, right? That's opposite.
Yeah.
In the bag. Let's go.
So you just took the 15.
But you wouldn't even really have to take the negative outside with the number was odd.
No, you could go there, no. Just be careful because if it was a square root, it wouldn't work like that. So odd roots, yeah.
So the first one, I thought we don't do anything to it.